Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of our China software. So in China we will be using Odoo software. Alright, so when you log in to the user ID and password you have been sent, this is a dashboard which will appear on your screen. In this dashboard, specific users will see specific roles. For example, a manager would see whatever they need to see. A salesperson would see only the sales module. The person who is undergoing purchase will see the purchase module. All right, so in the very first step, we will learn about how to use the inventory module. In this, we will learn how to create new items and how to organize information. So first, you'll have to click to inventory. One second. After clicking to inventory, you'll have to click on products and on products. Over here, you can see some of the past products that have already been created. You can sort them category wise. All right. So first, all of this will make more sense later on in the video. So you'll have to click new. After that, you'll have to write down the information about the fabrics. So first of all, you have to begin with the vendor company name. Let's assume that the vendor company name is Jinlong Textile. All right, so you'll put the vendor company name. You'll put what the GSM of the fabric is. In this case, it will be 160 meter square. Then you'll have to put the width, which will also be 160 centimeter. This is again only for, this is just an example. After that, let's say that this item is a polyester spandex. All right, so you'll have to click on polyester. Then you can say it's 90% polyester, and for spandex you can say it's 10% spandex. So over here the composition will automatically be coded. After this, you have to select the unit of measurement. Is it meters or kgs? So you'll have to select kgs. Then if the sales price is only important for the salespeople to mention who will be shipping these goods. After that, you have to mention the cost. It is very important for us to note down the cost. So in the future, whenever we get any inquiry, we know what the cost is. Let's say the cost is 21 yuan per kg. After that, you have to select what category of products does it fit into. Is it a woven? Is it knitting prints, knitting jacquard, knitting crochet, knitting? Maybe by the time you watch this video, there will be many more categories, but this is what we started with. Let's say this is just a knitting fabrics knitting category. You can see that the barcode has automatically come. So when you click on this save button, you'll see that now the name of the barcode has automatically been picked up from here. All right, after this you'll have to click on purchase. This step is important so we can track down that which supplier's fabric is this. All right, so you'll have to click on vendor again. So in the starting of the video we clicked on Jinlong, right? So maybe this is an article from Jinlong. And then what is the code of Jinlong? So Jinlong's code is JL678. And what is the price Jinlong is offered? 21. So in this case, you can add different vendors and what is their price for this particular item. All right, then maybe another person, for example, Fuda, is also offering the same article and his code is FT678. FT, let's say 890, and their price is 25 RMB. All right, after that, again, after some steps you'll have to click save so you know that your information isn't getting lost. It is also important for us to always add a picture of the article so it can help us keep a track. Right now I'll just add an example. So okay, maybe some internet issues, but this is the process we have to do. We'll click on the picture and we'll just click on open. Yeah, here you go. Now it's okay. All right. Again, click on save. So now let's say if you want to if you want to make a barcode, so you have to do nothing. Just click on print barcode and over here keep. And this is what the barcode looks like. Name, article number, composition with GSM here. All right. Let's say some of the items can have a different name from the barcode, right? You have to understand name and barcode are two different things. Every product will have a different barcode, but the name can be decided for us. Name is something which we are familiar with, all right? So let's say this item can be called as printed taffeta. All right, this is just an example. The names will be made after we have assigned a barcode. Again, now if you click on print barcode, so you can see now the name has been changed. All right. So now let's say we have to add a color to this item. Then what will we do in this case? So you have to do nothing but just click on attributes and variants. You have to click what the attribute is. Over here you will click on color. And whatever the color is, all right, you just have to type the color name. By the time you will see the software, we will already have more than 50 to 60 colors already in the system. So let's say I've clicked black, then I have to click save. So now you have to understand one thing. I've clicked save, then I'll click, whenever you are making an attribute in variance, you have to click on generate barcode. Once you have clicked on, once you've clicked on, I'll search again, printed taffeta. There you go. And once I click there, you can see now the code has slightly been changed because now it is it has -b, which stands for nothing but black. All right. So when you make a barcode variant, then you just have to click on generate barcode and then again print barcode, so it will print something like this. Let's try to print another barcode. Let's say pink. I will click on generate barcode again. When there are more than one variant, when there are more than two colors, when there are more than one colors, then you have to click on variants, and whichever barcode you have to print, you just have to choose which color you want to print, and then you can select on print barcode with variant. So over here you have printed the black one. So now whenever we are shipping these goods, whenever in India or any other country someone will scan this, they will automatically see all these details. Let's try for pink also. We will click on print barcode with variant. And once we open this, we can see this description. And now let's come back to the main screen. Whenever you want to search for an item, you can search by their name. So let's say the item name was printed taffeta, and now you can open, find the information for all of this. Oh, looks like we have, okay, yeah. Vendor product code, yeah, here you go. And if you also want to search by their code, you can also search 0295, and here you go. You can also see this product again.